Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video we're going to be talking all about Wings Federal Credit Union. They are offering a huge $595 checking and credit card offer. So I've been doing this series called Get Paid to Shop, and this is part number 5 from Get Paid to Shop. I mean, why not get paid to shop? Everything's so expensive. So this is an awesome way. This is a huge way to get paid to shop. $595 for stuff that you're going to be buying and spending money on anyways. So there is no direct deposit required, and this is a nationwide offer for everybody out there in the United States. So a quick disclaimer, I am a customer of Wings Financial, but I am not endorsed or affiliated by them. This is my review personally, and it's for informational purposes only. The information I give is as accurate as can be to the best of my ability at the time of this recording. All right, so this is part of my $2 million challenge for the year 2022. And what that means is I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $2,000 from my videos in 2022. What other channel besides Bank Account Bonus Central is out there to help people make that much money, which is awesome. So today is my birthday. I wanted to mention that. I'm in my mid 40s, and how do I want to celebrate my birthday is by giving you money. Not for myself, because I don't have that much, but through banks. Everybody gets paid for the same reason, and that's to solve problems. Banks have problems. They want to get customers, and they're willing to pay people for those customers. So this offer expires at the end of July, which is my apologies for taking so long to get into this. But please take advantage of this offer quickly because they're willing to pay a lot of money for people to become their customer. All right. So I'm a high school math teacher, and let's look at the math of what this offer is because it's a whole bunch of different parts and pieces. So the first part you want to jump into is a $50 referral bonus. Basically, sign up for the checking account. You got to do 5 transactions over $5. We're going to go through all the details of what each one of these are. The second part is a $200 checking account bonus. You got to do 5 transactions for that. Third part is a credit card bonus. You got to do 5 transactions on that. The fourth part is another credit card bonus. Spend 1,000, get another 100. If you get their card that's got 1.5% cash back, which is the one I kind of recommend, that you get another $15 off that. And then you can do credit card funding for opening up all these accounts. That's another $30. So that is $595 in total. So high school math teacher, I would definitely hope that my math is correct there. Moving along. All right, so basically this is what they have from their website. And all these screenshots are from the Wings website. So it pays to switch to Wings up to $400. You just saw the math. That's actually $595. So there is a promotional called July 22 bonus, which you need to use. I'm going to show you the application process for it and where you need to input that promotional code. Moving along. So one thing to consider, I'll tell you straight up, is Wings Federal Credit Union does a hard pull on your credit to open an account with them. So that's just for opening up a checking account, for becoming a member. You get a hard pull for your credit. That does lower your credit score by a few points, but it's not a big part of your credit score. So after a couple, 3 months, your credit score goes back up. So this is part of a credit card promotional as well. So if you sign up for the credit card, when you sign up for the checking account and they do your hard pull anyway, they're not going to do a second one. So it's only going to negatively impact your credit score once. And then it's actually going to help you build credit because you're getting a credit card. God willing, you spend it. You treat your credit card like a debit card. You take advantage of the promotional. You get your cash back, and you get money back from them. You don't pay any money in interest. So last year they pulled Experian for me. That's when I signed up last year. All right, so here is the first part. This is the checking referral, their terms and conditions off their website. Basically, you need to become a member. There's a $5 fee. Every credit union charges that. You get it back once you close out your account with them. You open a new checking account, either high yield or first class. I recommend opening both. There's no fees for either one. Enroll in e-document, and then you need to either do 1 direct deposit, or here's the biggest word, or. A lot of people don't like switching their direct deposits, and I can't blame you. Or you complete 5 debit card transactions of $5+ each. Life is expensive. You spend money on buying stuff. So basically spend 25 bucks, get 50 bucks. Here's what the referral process looks like. It's going to take 4 to 6 weeks, and they're going to mail you out a Visa gift card. So there's the rest of the terms and conditions for the referral part. So need to register, refer, and then you get a reward for signing up. All right, so my referral link is this. If you want to screenshot it, then it's right there. It's a bit.ly. That's just how they do it. They go through Refer Live. So that's what that is. I'll also have it in the description box down below. All right, so when you click on the link, it's going to say earn a $50 Visa reward card when you register and complete an offer below. So you want to click Get Registered. And then it's going to have you put in your first name, last name, email address, verify your email address, your physical address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Make sure you put in the exact same information that you're going to put into the application for the credit union, because you want to make sure that there's no possible way that you're not going to get your bonus, because you're here to collect your bonus. I mean, if you look at this as an hour-long process from watching this video, signing up, making the transactions and all that, when was the last time you made 590 bucks for shopping? I mean, there you go. So once you put in your information, it's going to say thank you, your information's been accepted, and then you're going to move on. The second part is you're going to go to wingsfinancial.com/promotions. If you just go to wingsfinancial.com, they're not going to have it. It's under the promotions tab. So here's what they have under the promotions tab. Free checking, no fee credit card, plus up to $400 in bonus cash, $595 if you maximize everything they have to offer. You click Learn More, and then you're going to click Free checking, no fee credit cards, plus up to $400 bonus cash. Click Become a Member. So then it's going to say here you're going to have $200 checking account bonus. So it says set up direct deposit. John, you said no direct deposit. Well, yes, I did. So it's going to say establish a recurring direct deposit of $600 or more to your new checking account, or here's the biggest word, or maintain an average daily balance of at least $2,000 in your account. So I'm going to show you a really cool way to get $2,000 into your account, and you're going to get paid for it. Next thing you got to do is sign up for e-documents, which is easy to do when you sign up, and then use your Wings debit card. You got to do 5 debit card transactions of 25 or more wherever Visa is accepted. You're going to spend money on stuff anyway. Spend it on gas, spend it on groceries. Everything's getting more expensive. Get paid to spend. That's what this video series is all about. All right, so when you sign up, there are 4 different ways in order to qualify. The first one is what state you in. I think they're from Wisconsin, if I'm not mistaken. If you have an immediate family member who is a Wings member, or if you currently worked in, retired from the aviation industry nationwide. If you don't qualify for any of those, you put $5 into their what's called their Wings Financial Foundation, and that takes $5. Every single credit union in the United States requires $5 to become a member or a part owner, whatever you want to call it. So the application, basic stuff. You can upload your ID, first name, last name, so your basic date of birth and whatnot. And then you have your address, identification, ID number, all that fun stuff that everybody asks for to sign up for an account. Are you subject to IRS withholding? Put whatever qualifies for you. Mine was no. Next page. And this is from, I took screenshots. This is from my video from last year. So it should be the same. Okay, so here's the fun part. Amount you want to deposit, $500. So I opened up a share savings account, a first class checking. I opened up basically everything that they would let me open up, because you can put, you can charge it on your credit card. And if you don't want to do your direct deposit, then you'll get free funding for your account. So I personally always use either my Chase Freedom Unlimited card or Ink Unlimited to fund accounts with a credit card. Super easy cash back. Always make sure your cash advance limit is less than what you're trying to fund, or you could get a cash advance fee. We're here to collect money from the banks and not pay fees. So, for example, if you got your Ink Unlimited or Freedom Unlimited, you fund 500 times 1.5%. That's $7.50. If you max this out at the $2,000, it's actually $2,005. That's $30, and that's part of the math for this bonus. So what kind of account you want to set up? You got to do $5 to become a member. First class checking, high yield checking. I signed up for all of them. There actually is. This was from last year. I don't know what their exact number is for the APY for their high yield, but you got to do 15 debit card transactions and e-documents enrollment. I didn't do that, so I didn't get the higher interest rate. So total deposit into accounts 2005. I did credit card, and they said Visa gift cards are not accepted as payment. Bummer. I get way too many of those. So basically, and then here, when you're playing with the credit card stuff, it's going to say promo code optional. Be sure to put the promo code in the box. July 2022 bonus. This is how you get paid. Then you hit next page. I would screenshot this if I were you. It's too easy to screenshot to make sure that there's no question as to whether you put the promo code in. And then also when they call to verify that you're in, you want to say make sure that the promo code was applied. So $2,005 got charged to my credit card last year, and then boom. So then they're going to ask you to review your information, verify your identity. They're going to ask you 4 questions from your credit report. And here's the question I hate getting. I've always dreaded getting this question because I can honestly say that I got this crazy addiction thing with applying for and getting approved for Chase credit cards. According to your credit profile, you may have opened a JP Morgan Chase Bank credit card. Please select the year in which your account was opened. 2014, yes. 2016, yes. 2018, yeah. And 2020, yes. All of the above. But there is no all of the above, so I chose one of them and it worked. So next page. They have you DocuSign something, and then you see this, and then you have thank you for applying. A Wings representative will contact you within 3 to 5 business days, and I don't remember exactly how long it took for them to contact me, but it didn't take that long. All right, so here's the credit card portion of this. So basically, they have 3 different exceptional cards. You got to complete 5 transactions of $25 or more within 60 days. And then you get $200 on top of that, which stacks on top of, here's the cards. Okay, so rewards, cashback, and low interest rates. So the rewards and the cashback, you have to be able to qualify for at least $5,000 in limit. The low interest rate one is $500. If you're able to choose, I personally would choose the cashback rewards on account of I'm into cashback. Rewards, I'm tied into the Chase reward system, so I don't care about any other ones. To me, that one's the best one. So I would definitely choose the cashback rewards, but what you do is you. So here's what I like about it. You earn, it's 1.5% cashback plus another $100 after spending $1,000 in your first 90 days. You're going to spend money on life. Life is expensive. Why pay full price is what I got to say here. There's no annual fee on that card. All right, so that's basically what's going on with Wings. Today's question. Today is my birthday. How will I face the next year? So here's how I'm going to face the next year is with a thankful attitude. I mean, oftentimes we get bogged down with problems and anxieties and pressures and stresses, but it is hard, or it's harder to be stressed out when you have a thankful attitude. So today is Thursday. My family, we do this thing called Thankful Thursday. We just go around and lunch or dinner conversation. What are you thankful for? I mean, there's so much to be thankful for. Yeah, you can look at what's bad, but there's always time to be thankful as well. So 1 Chronicles 16:34 says, "Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His mercy endures forever." Amen. I mean, there is so much grace God's given me in my life. I've done smart things in my life. I've done dumb things. And I'm thankful that I'm still around to be able to enjoy good things to come. Psalm 104 says, "Enter into his gates with thanksgiving and to his courts with praise. Be thankful to him and bless his name." I mean, God's changed my heart. I no longer use the Lord's name in vain, but I choose to bless my Redeemer and my Savior, which is Jesus. So with that, I'm going to say comments still have been turned off for these videos, but I can be reached through churningadventures@gmail.com if you have any questions about bank bonuses. I'm going to have a link in the description box down below for if you're interested in learning more about Christianity. I'm also going to put a link to Unshackled, which is a really cool drama They take real true life stories. They've got over 3,000 stories about people whose lives have been changed through faith in Christ. So link that in the description box down below as well. Last thing I'm going to ask you to do is like, share, and subscribe with the bell notifications. I'm making videos on a lot more consistent basis and definitely do plan on continuing that. So I am looking forward to helping as many people as I can through bank bonuses and sharing the truth of Christ. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace and God bless you.